This is a brief history of drones and their uses. The term drone originally came from bees. In bee colonies, there are three different roles: worker bees, the queen bee, and drones. The only purpose of the drones is to mate with the queen. Their entire existence is driven by this purpose, almost like they have no mind of their own. Because the unmanned aircrafts we fly today have no intelligence or minds of their own, we call them drones. In the 1800s, we saw the first invention of unmanned aircrafts for use in war. Austrian soldiers used unmanned balloons with explosives attached to them to attack the city of Venice. Once the balloons left the ground, there was no way to control them. Because of this, the direction of the wind caused some of the balloons to fly the wrong way and explode behind Austrian lines. This showed the limitations of the technology at the time. In 1907, we saw the first invention of something that resembled a modern drone. Its frame was an X shape, with each corner containing propellers. This makes it the earliest design for what is now commonly called a quadcopter. It was invented by the brothers Jacques and Louis Breguet, and could lift 2 feet from the ground with 4 men steadying it. The World Wars caused a spike in drone technology development, this time using Nikola Tesla's RC technology. This technology allowed the airplanes to be controlled from the ground, so a pilot didn't have to risk his life. Some of these airplanes were equipped with torpedoes or explosives and sent to crash at a particular location. This concept is similar to the missiles that we use in war today. After the Second World War, a commercial boom saw RC and model planes hit the scene, allowing anyone to purchase and fly a drone. This became a recreational hobby for many. Closer to modern times, the use of drones in war has been refined and improved, but there are still tragedies that occur. In the wake of 9/11, the first CIA drone-based kill operation led to the death of an innocent man, Daraz Khan, who is suspected to be Osama bin Laden. After this failed operation, drone regulations had to be tightened to prevent accidental deaths in the future. In 2006, the Federal Aviation Administration started offering commercial drone permits, which expanded the public's access to flying drones. Over time, the FAA loosened its restrictions further and started giving out even more permits to the public. In 2010, the company Parrot released the first ready-to-fly drone, which was unique because it could be connected to and completely controlled by one's smartphone. This lowered the barrier of entry for drone flying and helped spike the popularity of drones. In 2013, Amazon pitched the idea of utilizing drones to deliver products to customers even faster. Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, even went as far as to say that drone-based delivery could allow for half-hour deliveries. Finally, 2016 saw the release of the most advanced commercial drones to date. For example, the DJI's Phantom 4 came equipped with a high-quality camera as well as machine learning technology, which allowed the drone to intelligently avoid obstacles in front of it. This release was a milestone for drone development and gave hope for the future of drones to enthusiasts around the world. As the COVID-19 pandemic swept the world in 2020, drones received a lot of attention for their potential to safely deliver medical supplies and other necessities. Drone development and adoption by companies saw a drastic increase. There was a computer chip shortage which slowed the manufacturing of drones, but this had the effect of forcing several industries to collaborate to meet the demand and fostered growth. Last year, we saw several big companies take an interest in drone delivery. In the US, Europe, Australia, and Africa, companies experimented with drone technology to deliver their products to consumers. Several organizations also use drones to deliver medical supplies and other necessities to countries in Africa. It's likely that this boom in drone delivery will continue in the present year, 2023. What will the future of drone technology look like? Perhaps you will help answer that.